Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this tempting and yummy delicious carrot stew. To my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And now let's get started. For this recipe I used hard chicken properly cleaned. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. I added some diced onions, seasoning cubes, green marinade, ginger and garlic cube, bay leaf, rosemary, thyme, curry powder. Add some salt to taste. Give it a stir, cover and let it produce its own juice at least for 10 minutes. 10 minutes now, add some water, stir, cover and allow to cook until the chicken is done. Here I have some carrots and red bell pepper. I went off camera to prep them. Once that is done, you set it aside. Next, the chicken is done cooking. Separate from the stock water, fry or grill it and set aside. Transfer the prepped carrots and red bell pepper into a blender. Add little water and blend until it is smooth and nice. Go ahead and add in some vegetable oil into a clean dry pot. Let it heat up, then add some salt to it. Add some chopped onions and fry for about 2 minutes to release the scent into the oil. Now pour in the blended mixture. Fry and stir occasionally to avoid burning. You have to keep stirring for the next 15 to 25 minutes on a medium heat until it reduces in quantity. Once the oil floats on top just like this, it is done. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. Here I added some paprika powder, garlic powder, basil dry leaf, curry powder, seasoning cube, nutmeg powder, crayfish. Mix to combine. I added some habanero pepper. Feel free to add to your taste. Now transfer the chicken plus the stock. Feel free to add some water to it if it is too thick, and taste for salt if needed. Give it a gentle stir, cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, our carrot stew is ready. But if you are using vegetable, after this 10 minutes, add it and allow it to simmer for another 2 minutes. But this recipe, I'm not using vegetables, okay? Now, it is ready to be served. Enjoy with white rice, spaghetti, yam, beans, in whichever way you prefer yours. It tasted so super delicious and inviting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.